Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to execute the planar surface and offset surface in Solidworks software. So let's go. Start now. Creating the new file. File is selected. Okay. Now I'm going to take the top plane. Sketch a some rectangle. Okay. Right button is click. Select. Then exit it. Now going to the insert surface and planar. Click on the surface. Okay, now see, 27. Then I'm going to insert surface and offset is selected. Click on the surface and the taking the distance 3. Now I'm taking the 2 inch. Inch is better. 2 inch. Done. Now to change the color. Click on the surface. Going here, appearance, and this face. Now this color is taken. So done. Now I can go into the insert and surface and going to the offset. Click on the surface and it's also distance 2 inch from this second one. Okay, see, then select this one, going to the appearance, face, and taking this color is this one. Okay, done. And I want to change these colors also. I'm taking this one is the black. Okay, done. See, now see the plan, all plan view is watching. I think got it, everybody. If you think that you are benefited, subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share. And the redesign engineering is always with you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.